Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be making banana cake. Woo, looking so yummy. If today is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of our new videos. We'll post at least 3 to 4 videos every week, but for 1 month we'll be posting back to back, so make sure you don't miss out from our new videos. For close chats with me, feel free to join us on Telegram, Instagram and Facebook. Just search for Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Let's get started. For today's recipe, we'll be needing our brown sugar. Just check, I'll be putting the link on my description box below if you want to learn how to make homemade brown sugar. And our chief ingredients, banana. And also you need butter. You'll be melting the butter. We'll be needing 1/3 cup of melted butter. We need 1/2 cup of milk. We need 1.5 cup of flour. You need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll be needing baking soda, 1 teaspoon, vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon, 2 eggs, and you can see our nutmeg there. You will grate it just a little for a very nice flavor. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. After mashing, add 1/3 cup of melted butter. Add in your brown sugar and continue mixing. Add your milk and continue mixing. Add a little nutmeg. You add your cinnamon powder and you start to sieve in your flour. After sieving the flour, lastly you add your baking soda and baking powder. My cinnamon is remaining just small. I have to add all. Cream a little and you sieve in your flour. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to comment. Feel free to share it to your friends. Please invite a friend to this channel and feel free to ask questions. Add a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda. You sieve and mix together. Grease your pan with butter and dust with flour. If you have a baking paper, you can put downward. And pour in your batter. Bake for 30 to 45 minutes. From 30 minutes, please start checking your cake. I'll be spreading little dry fruits. It's not a must. Please, you can bake your cake that way. It will still be fine. Our cake is ready. After 45 minutes, it's ready. Allow it to cool off. You can turn it out. Woo, 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 woo. Our cake is ready. Wow. So hot. So hot. I'm flipping over. You can see how lovely it's looking. So soft. It's very soft, really soft. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new videos. For 1 month, I'll be posting back to back. You can't afford to miss any of my videos. Just click the subscribe button to be getting a lot of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.